Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm playing with the Saviland Excelsior Kit, I believe is how you say it. Just going to go quickly over what is in this kit. This is the directions on how to use it. They put different dual forms in the actual kit. I don't know why they show different ones on the directions, but anyways, you get your slip solution, you have a base coat and a top coat. They are labeled on the side which one is which. You get 7 polygel tubes. These are all glow in the dark. I don't end up swatching them because I do use all of the colors on my nails, so I kind of wanted it to be a surprise. And then you get a spatula with the brush at the end. To get started, you're going to want to put some of that slip solution into a little container, and then you're going to want to take that base coat and apply on all of your nails evenly, and then cure that in the light for 60 seconds before you start applying the polygel. There's this swirly trend nail art going around Instagram, and I wanted to give it a shot with polygel since I had so many colors. I just wanted to have a little fun and see if I could do it with the polygel. I believe maybe Chan Legend started the trend, but anyways, that's kind of what we're doing here. So not too much spreading it around with the brush, and polygel does get pretty sticky, so every time you notice your polygel getting sticky, you want to dip it into the slip solution and just kind of push it around. So I'm just kind of moving it around exactly where I want it, and then after each color I do cure it for about 15 to 20 seconds. I don't do it for the full 60 seconds because this literally would have taken forever. But yeah, I'm just going to apply all these different colors on all my nails, and it's very repetitive, so I'm not going to talk too much through it and just kind of let you watch.
Holding my head again, making my way through crowded thoughts. Sometimes it's hard to get out of it. Broke my heart in the dark. I was just trying to feel something, falling asleep to the sound of it. Always used to let you clean up the messes, down on my knees, but I couldn't stand up on my own. Turns out sometimes you're stronger alone. Bringing out the fight, yeah, bring on all the lightning. 'Cause I'm looking for a hero, look inside the mirror. I found one, oh, carry the hurt when it gets too hard. Pick it up, dust it off. When I fall down 11, I get up 12. Don't need nobody else. Yeah, I can save myself. Got burned, but I learned. Our scars make us who we are. Now I'm 10 feet tall over my demons. Remind me no one's got me like myself. Yeah, I love me without any help. I'm the best thing to believe in. So I'm bringing out the fight, yeah, bring on all the lightning. 'Cause I'm looking for a hero, look inside the mirror. I found one, oh, carry the hurt when it gets too hard. Pick it up, dust it off. When I fall down 11, I get up 12. Don't need nobody else. Yeah, I can save myself. Oh, 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 oh. I could crumble into pieces, but I got a million reasons why I won't. 'Cause this heavy is a season, and the sun is always right behind the storm. Bringing out the fight, yeah, bring on all the lightning. 'Cause I'm looking for a hero, look inside the mirror. I found one, oh, carry the hurt when it gets too hard. Pick it up, dust it off. When I fall down 11, I get up 12. Don't need nobody else. Yeah, I can save myself.
Isn't that such a good song? Oh my gosh, such a good song. anyways, so I just want to go over what the colors are at night. So the peachy color turns into a pale pink. The green turns into a blue. The orange turns into a purple. The pink turns into a orangey color. And then you have the light green or the yellowish color, which turns into a blue. You have the dark purple or purple that turns into a maroonish color. And then you have the blue that turns into a darker blue when it's nighttime for the glow in the dark. So we'll just see how these colors turn out at the end. Just a little reminder here that I am dipping the brush into the slip solution quite a bit. I just don't show that too often on camera because it would be so much. But anyway, once you put the polygel on the nail, you want to dip it into the solution right away. Polygel gets sticky really fast, and you just want it to work as easily as possible. So you dip it into the slip solution, but you don't want to soak it. You just kind of want it enough to push it around but not drench it so it doesn't like slide off of the nail. And then I'm just kind of smoothing it around wherever I want it to go, and then I do cure it again into the lamp after each color for about 15 to 20 seconds.
So handsome, oh, you have your way, and it's making me weaken. You and your stylist, walking like that. It's really getting too much, but I can't pull back. Though I try to resist, I can't fight this. And no one makes me feel like you do. Try to sleep, but you're deep in my mind. Got a hold of me. When I'm awake, I'm all blind. You and your magic, like infinite power. God knows I try to resist, but you're pulling me closer. Oh, I gotta stay away, but you won't let me. And no one makes me feel like you do. And no one sets my body on fire. And no one gives me shivers like you. Oh, no one does it better. And no one makes me feel like you do. And no one sets my body on fire. No one gives me shivers like you. Oh, no one does it
If you're still watching, if you could give this video a thumbs up or a comment, tell me what you think. And if you're finding any value out of it or learning anything, please subscribe. I would appreciate you. After I apply all of the polygel, I do go through and I file it down a little bit. And then I'm going to take my builder gel and I'm going to fill in that negative space with the builder gel so it can all be one level. And then I'm going to go through and I'll file it again. When you're using a builder gel, you just want to use the brush to guide it over the nail and just kind of float it into those negative spaces. You don't want to brush it on like a nail polish because it's self-leveling. So when you float it over there, it just kind of self-levels into those holes, creating less work for you.
I made my bed and now I lay my head in it. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. You call my bluff, I won't pick up, I let it ring. Record your voice so I can listen back again. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love.
After I file, shape, and buff, I dust them off with a dusting brush, and then I take a lint-free wipe and I use some Swipe from Young Nails, and I'm going to clean off my nails, get all that dust off of there. And this is what they look like after they've been filed, shaped, and buffed. And now I'm going to take some of that top coat that came in the kit and apply that on all of my nails, and then we will see what the finished look is.
Down a second chance, I'm too selfish for that. I let you fall again, now that you know that I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was.
This is what they look like after we applied our cuticle oil and our top coat, and I think they turned out cute. It was a lot of work. I think they maybe could have turned out better. I was a little disappointed that you could not see the colors on my middle finger at all. So I did add a picture because my night camera, for some reason on my phone, was able to pick up some of the color better. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I really hope to see you in my next one. Bye!